right, here we are. Laurel, good to see you.
Man, it's good to see you too.
This is great. All right, so I had to wear a hat this time, and not quite the color, but I decided to go with the white one.
Well, we can't be the same.
We can't be the same.
Man,
what do you think of this?
You look good, man.
Yes.
Looking good.
Looking good. If you don't know Laurel, and of course Laurel Buys Houses, this is Laurel right here. You've seen her all over the place. And the cool thing about this is you actually purchase houses. This is one of the houses that you purchased. Give us a little idea of really what you actually do, first off.
Great. Well, so in this one here, the gentleman who owned the duplex passed away. The family had no idea what to do. It was not in a trust, so now it has to go through probate.
Okay.
So we're helping him with that whole process. We've been, takes a long time. We've been kind of trying to maintain the property since the 1st of July. We still don't have court approval to do anything here yet, but the second we do, we're gonna clean it all up, start fixing it up, sell it, so a nice family can come in or make it a great rental. So here we go. This is kind of typical for us. We mowed the lawn back in July.
Yes.
And we cleaned out a bunch of homeless people were living in the backyard.
Got it.
So right now I actually have someone staying here or visiting in it every day to make sure the homeless people don't move in.
Yeah, you got to keep it safe. Got to keep it safe. All right, so this is typically one of the houses that you would purchase. Can we go inside and take a look?
Absolutely. Come on in and see. This is really normal for us.
All right, so we are inside now. This, I guess, would be the living room area, and I guess what we see is typical that it would be a hoarder type of situation, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, there's way worse hoarders, but this person would technically be a hoarder. And as you can tell, we feel like some people broke in and kind of went through some of the stuff. Yeah. But typically, this is the kind of thing we get. Actually, we don't have any rodents, so we're very happy.
That's a good thing. All right, let's keep going because I know that the tour goes this way.
Yeah, right here.
Into the kitchen. And again, you just see a lot of this type of stuff when you make these purchases, huh?
Yeah, this is really, really, really typical for us. This is by no means the worst, not the best, but pretty typical for us.
Okay, and now you're heading into the garage?
Now we're in the garage right now, and you can kind of see they were only getting to the washer dryer area. And you can see something happened to the hot water heater and they never actually fixed it.
So just leave it here, I guess, right?
Somebody, you know.
And this pile back here, I was going to say to you too, so this would be kind of normal for you too, and but you have a crew of people that will take care of this.
Absolutely, and we'll salvage what we can, donate what we can, and then the rest goes to it. We try to find pictures and stuff the family might want and return it back to them. But this is pretty typical.
All right. Now the backyard looks pretty spacious, but a lot of stuff out here as well too, huh?
Yeah, there's a lot. I mean, obviously we have the shed full of stuff, and then we have piles of stuff. We actually cut back a bunch of bad grass that was here where homeless people were living. Okay. To try to preserve the property as much as possible without spending too much money.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you probably deal with a lot of that as well too, right?
Right. And then we have the other side of the duplex over here. But you can see we have a lot to sort out. All right, and this shit is going to take a while, but I'm sure when you're done with it, it's going to be amazing. Right, so now we're on the other side of the duplex, and this has got to be a pretty interesting one for you, the duplexes, right? Because it's a big building. Yeah, but it's the same as any other house or anything else, condos. We just did a 4,000 square foot house down in Stockton, similar thing. Family the mom couldn't keep up and things were getting away from them. Yep. So yeah, duplexes are great, but you know, single family homes are norm. Got it. But this, you know, a lot of families have duplexes where you live on one side. So here's where the brother was living, and you can see it's not as bad a shape. But it's exactly the way he left it. Wow, unbelievable. Right. And now you're stepping in, obviously, you know, to do some good for you, but you're doing really good for the family because they want to get out of a situation like this. You're there to provide, help them financially. Right, and financially and also legally. They don't know what to do, how to do it. They don't have attorneys. And, you know, there's a mortgage on the property. There's all kinds of other financial things going on. And if you don't put it into trust, it just takes a year. Yeah. It takes a year to get through this. Family doesn't have the resources or the time or the energy to deal with it. Yeah. There's so much to learn, and we're learning that right now too. You know, I just got to say this. Call Laurel today because you really should. Thanks for the tour. I really appreciate this. Yeah, no worries. Doing great things in our community, and I can't wait to find the next house that you're to do. Take us on a tour of that one. Awesome. We'd love to. I'd love that. Maybe take you to one when it's done. Yeah, can we see this one maybe? Yeah, when it's done, sure, we'll do that. There we go. All right. Absolutely. Need before and after. Yeah, she promised us that, so we should go back to that one and go check it out because it's amazing. Yeah.
lot to be done there.
Yeah, she does amazing things. So if you have a distressed house, you're in trouble, call Laurel, and she'll take care of you.
That's incredible, man. That's a talent, I'll tell you. And your hat was talent.
You like that?
Yeah. You and a hat. LaurelBuysHouses.com is where you find her on the web.